Hey everyone! Welcome to another page of Alia's Food Diary. Today we are going to make crispy Palak patta chaat. It's a great snack for tea time and a great way to incorporate spinach in your diet. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. Don't forget the bell icon. Let's start. To make the crispy spinach fritters, we'll take a bowl, add chickpea flour or besan, little bit of cumin powder or jeera powder, and salt as per your taste. Mix it properly. Now add water as needed to make a thin paste. Make sure your paste is thin. This is what makes our spinach fritters crispy and crunchy. Now, in a frying pan, add oil. To check if it's hot enough, pour a little bit of the besan paste. If the oil starts bubbling, it's hot enough for frying. Now dip individual spinach leaves in the chickpea or besan batter so that they are coated with a thin layer of the batter and fry them on medium-high heat. Now let's assemble our Palak patta chaat. In the bowls, add the spinach fritters or Palak ke pakode. Add some boiled kala chana. And some boiled potatoes. Some finely cut green chillies for added spice. Chopped onions. Chilled yogurt. Add the yogurt just before serving. Now top it with coriander and mint chutney. And tamarind or imli ki chutney. Spice it up with chilli powder, cumin powder, and black salt. Garnish with coriander leaves. Our Palak patta chaat is ready.